Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to the Growth Mindset Company channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of FIDIC contracts, focusing on a clause that plays a pivotal role in the smooth execution of construction projects. Clause 2.3, titled Employer's Personnel. And for those who want a more detailed exploration, don't forget to check out www.wisdomlavishhub.com. The link is right there in the description. Let's get started. Clause 2.3 revolves around the employer's personnel, which includes the engineer and other staff assigned to the project. But what does this mean for both the employer and the contractor? Let's break it down. Legal and contractual perspective. Interestingly, while the FIDIC forms prohibit the contractor from recruiting the employer's personnel, there's no direct restriction on the employer doing the same. However, it's recommended that both parties seek prior agreement before recruiting each other's personnel. And speaking of personnel, the contractor is obligated to ensure their team is qualified, skilled, and experienced. Employers and engineers' administrative insight. The engineer, acting as the employer's representative, plays a central role in the contract's administration. They review the contractor's work, issue instructions, and certify payments. But with great power comes great responsibility. The employer must ensure the engineer and other personnel are well equipped for their roles. Broad international usage and context. The employer's duties are vast, from granting site access to making payment arrangements. One notable provision is subclause 2.4, which ensures the contractor's payment security. It mandates the employer to provide evidence of financial arrangements, ensuring the contractor's confidence in consistent payments. Contractor's standpoint. From the contractor's perspective, the employer's personnel should support their efforts, especially in terms of cooperation and safety procedures. And if there are doubts about funding, it's crucial for the contractor to communicate concerns with the employer before any formal correspondence. Detailed insights into the 2017 FIDIC contracts. The 2017 FIDIC contracts have expanded on some clauses, offering the contractor more protection. For instance, Clause 2.4 emphasizes the contractor's confidence in the employer's ability to sustain payments throughout the project. Communication angle. Effective communication is the backbone of any successful project. For instance, the engineer has the authority to delegate duties, but this delegation becomes effective only upon delivery to both the employer and the contractor. Real-world scenarios, flowcharts, and checklists. Visual aids, like flowcharts, can be invaluable in understanding the intricate web of interactions and dependencies between various clauses. For instance, a flowchart on the functionality and implications of Clause 2.3 can provide a clear roadmap for understanding their interplay within the FIDIC contract framework. In conclusion, Clause 2.3 of the FIDIC contracts is a testament to the importance of clear roles, responsibilities, and communication in the world of construction contracts. It ensures that both the employer and the contractor are on the same page, leading to a harmonious and successful project execution. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this content valuable, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights. And remember, for a deeper dive, head over to www.wisdomlavishhub.com. Until next time, keep learning and growing.